PV, photovoltaic, solar power plant is a type of renewable energy facility that generates electricity using solar panels. These solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight directly into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. Here's how a PV solar power plant typically works. Solar panels. The solar power plant consists of numerous solar panels installed on a suitable location with ample sunlight exposure. These panels are made of semiconductor materials, such as silicon, which can generate electricity when exposed to sunlight. Sunlight absorption. When sunlight strikes the surface of the solar panels, the photovoltaic cells absorb the energy from photons in the sunlight. This absorption process creates an electric field across the layers of the cell. Photovoltaic effect. The absorbed energy causes electrons to be released from the atoms within the semiconductor material, creating a flow of electrons, electric current, within the cell. DC electricity. The electrons flow through the photovoltaic cells in a direct current, DC, form, which is the type of electricity the solar panels generate. Inverter conversion. Since most electrical grids and appliances use alternating current, AC, electricity, the DC electricity generated by the solar panels needs to be converted to AC. This conversion is done by power inverters installed at the solar power plant. The inverters also optimize the voltage and frequency of the AC electricity for integration into the grid. Grid connection. The AC electricity is then transmitted to the grid through transformers and power lines. At this stage, the electricity generated by the solar power plant is mixed with the electricity from other sources on the grid. Power distribution. From the grid connection point, the electricity flows through power lines to homes, businesses, and industries, where it can be used to power various electrical devices and systems. Net metering. If applicable, in some regions, there is a net metering system in place. Net metering allows the solar power plant owner or user to receive credit for any excess electricity generated but not consumed. This credit can be used to offset electricity consumption during periods when the solar panels are not producing enough power, such as during the night. Monitoring and maintenance. To ensure the optimal functioning of the solar power plant, monitoring systems are often installed to track the performance of individual solar panels.